Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. And today I am going to play Will You Press the Button.com. Why did I just have to say .com? Alright, so if you don't know what it is, it's two questions like this one. You develop all manners of technical, I don't even know what it says, abilities, but you must break contact with everyone you currently know and only watch them from afar or make new relationships. So I am not going to press the button for that. I will not. And it'll say the percentage. So more people didn't press the button than people didn't. The people did. So we're going to move on to the next question. You become a superhero with enough money to afford all the gadgets you need to fight crime. Your parents are brutally murdered in front of you. Definitely not. I love my parents. Why would you press the button? Thank you, 60% people who didn't. Because that's just blooming stupid. Why would you let your mother and your father get murdered? Murdered in front of you and you be a superhero? No, never in a million years I will press the button. What the hell? Okay, this question is, what? It will rain man, but you can't say hallelujah. It's a raining man. It's a raining man. Because I can't say hallelujah. Oh wait, I just said it. Damn it. Right. It will rain man, but you can't say hallelujah. It's a rain. I don't want it to rain men anyway, so no. It will rain man, but you can't say. 52% people didn't know. You can speak every language fluently. You cannot read or write any of them. I want to speak languages, so yeah, I'll press it. Yeah, 63% people did not. While 63% of people pressed the button, while 67 did not. Alright, that's good. You will never have to empty balls or bladder again, though you still could. You will force to wear. That doesn't make sense. You will force to wear diapers. Actually, it does. Forever. You would not have to pay anything for them, and they would look like any existing diaper currently on the market. I will definitely not. 31%. Why would you? You would have to wear diapers though. You'd have to go to the toilet, but you're supposed to wear diapers. Are you actually kidding me? You would. You're super good looking, and the person you love loves you too and asks you to get married. You're blind and deaf. You don't know when and where it happens. But I don't want to get married yet. I'm probably not going to get married. I won't. So, no, because I don't want to be blind and deaf. Yeah. 72 people did not press the button. Yeah. You get telekinesis. I don't even know what that says. You only live for 25 more years. No, why would I? 52 but no. I'm going to read as it 10 equals life at 25 years. Okay, what? Okay, right. You get a free PS4, but it has DRM for everything you do. I don't care, I'm getting a free PS4. I don't even know what DRM is, but I don't care, I'm pressing it. I don't even know what DRM is. Your entire life has a musical underscore that you alone can hear. You have a good idea of what's going to happen, and at any given moment. Wait, You have a good idea of what's going to happen at any given moment because of the style and the intensity. I don't even like this question. What? Go away. Okay, I didn't get that question. So, you will live as long as you want, as you desire. You lose your ability to speak. Right. I'm definitely not pressing the button because I always speak. Like, my favorite thing to do is speak because I do it a lot. I speak a lot. So, no. Yeah. Nice, guys. For you become a Jedi, Force lightsaber and master included. Your home village gets raided by stormtroopers and both your parents. I don't want my parents to die. Like, no. So that's gonna be it for the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Nobody tell my mom. That was 46 years ago. Let's read some comments actually. That made me laugh harder than it probably should have. Meh, I don't already have more dads. He's probably lying. I shall avenge my parents' death. 46 years ago again. For people with parents alive, they never said when. Okay, what? So I'm a Jedi Batman. I have 4 parents: Ha, Lo, Lupo, Lamau, Dang. I'm not gonna say what. Okay, I'm not gonna say the bad word in it. Laugh my A off. That's what it stands for. LMAO. If you don't know what A stands for, well, too bad for you because I'm not gonna say it. Right, bye.